Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to solve a problem. So here the given problem is to find the number that should be multiplied to 2816 to make it a perfect square number. So here let us factorize the given number 2816. So we can write 1408 times is 2816, and again 704 times is 1408, and similarly 352 times is 704, and again 176 times is 352, and 176 can be written as 4 into 44, and again 4 11 times is 44. So we can write the given number 2816 is equal to product of the factors. Here 2 multiplies itself for 4 times, then 4 multiplies itself for 2 times into 11. And here we have 2 4s and only 1 11. And now let us make the product into a group of equal factors. So we can group the product of equal factors here, that is 2 into 2, then again 2 into 2, then again 4 into 4. But there is only 1 11, so we cannot group into equal factors. So here we have to multiply the number 11 to the given number 2816 to make it a perfect square number. And now let us solve one more problem. So here the given problem is to find the number that should be multiplied to the given number 14450 to make it a perfect square number. So now let us factorize the given number 14450. So here 7225 times is 14450, and again 1445 times is 7225, and now again 289 times is 1445, and 289 can be written as 17 into 17, which is equal to 289. So here we can write the given number 14450 as the product of prime factors 2 into 5 into 5 into 17 into 17. So now let us make the product into group of equal factors. So here we get a group of 5 into 5 and the other group 17 into 17. So here there is only one digit, that is 2. So one more 2 is to be multiplied to the given number to make it a perfect square number. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.